Welcome to B for Birdie. My assistant is kind of running late. Okay, there's you. Today we're gonna help animals. I got our list. Follow me. Right here.
Excellent. Can you talk to me about the list?
There's tons
Dr.
of
Birdie?
animals. There's tons and tons and tons and tons of animals.
Yeah. Is this one of those animals?
No, but he does look good.
She
right?
does look like she's doing all right.
First up is Slow and Zaboomafoo. They're a sloth and lemur. Look at them. They're all stuck together.
Oh no! Doctor, what are we going to do?
First, I hate to say it, but we need shots.
Do you have the shots?
I got all of our equipment.
Excellent. Let me know if you need my assistance, Doctor.
Could you please, and could you please, pretty please, hold the Boomafoo's soft and I'll hold Slow's.
Do we give it to him at the same time?
Which one is Slow's and which one's the Boomafoo's? I think.
This is Zaboomafoo right here, and this is Slow
there.
right here. Are we going to give them shoots in the butt? Ouch! Ouch! Ow, ow, ow!
We gave them the wrong shot.
No, we didn't.
This is Slow shot.
Got it. Bink.
Bink.
Oof.
I can talk to animals.
Yes, you can. What did he say?
He said that he wants a bath. He who's to take care of the Boomafoo.
Okay.
Medicine. I think the Boomafoo needs medicine.
Okay. Here you go, Zaboomafoo.
And he. That's medicine.
Yeah, he ate it. It's medicine that he ate.
Okay, I'm gonna give him a bath. I think we should put them in the exit.
Okay.
And then, who's next on the list? Thornsley.
Thornsley.
It's his birthday, and his tusks haven't got a teeny bit bigger.
Yeah. Do you think they should by now?
He is turning 2.
It's still pretty young for an elephant.
But his tusks do not look like they've grown a bit. These are his tusks, the little nubs.
They are still little nubs. What are we going to do, Doc?
I have an idea. I've got some growing juice. It's just in a square bottle. Look, his tusks gotta get a teensy weensy bit bigger.
Good job, Doctor.
Let's put him in the exit.
I bet you're wondering what's behind that curtain.
The next animal is kind of gross.
What is it?
You do not like being around it. You're wondering what it is, huh?
I am.
There you are. It's a cockroach.
Okay, what are we doing with this cockroach?
Look, he lost a wing.
Aw, he did lose a wing. What are we going to do with it?
You can work on his side.
Hmm?
You can work on his side, and I'll work on the other side. This doesn't look like a good replacement wing.
I don't know, Doc. You're the doctor. I'm just your assistant.
I got an idea.
What's your idea?
What if we use this Band-Aid and put it on here?
Mm-hmm.
Then this could be his replacement wing.
Okay.
Do you like his new wing?
Yeah. It's still a cockroach, though. I like bugs, just not so much roaches.
And now I have to do something. Do you know why I'm doing this? And it's not the cockroach's bedtime. He's got a little nub on his leg. And if we blow on his nub with this pillow, it will go back in.
Oh,
The nub will go back in.
okay.
But then he'll be all inflated.
Well, that means he'll be able to float.
He's gonna be all inflated.
Oh, deflated.
Deflate. He'll be all deflated. Since you are not a fan of cockroaches and you have to know them better, you should get the pillow to his nub.
Okay, hang on.
He doesn't have that nub anymore.
It helped. It fixed it.
But now he's all deflated.
Well, he's gonna need to rest, Doctor.
Actually, I think I know something. It's my handy dandy pump.
Oh, you're gonna pump up the cockroach?
Well, this isn't working.
Okay.
Okay, pump. First you attach it to his butt. Actually, I think it's here. I think it... Where does this thing go? There. This thing goes here. And now I'll have to deflate it.
You mean inflate it?
Inflate it. Look, it's working. He's blown up. Look at him. He's blowing up. He's blown up.
Oh no, he's gonna float. Is this gonna teach him to start flying again?
Actually, I'm just inflating him. Look, he's all better.
Good. Maybe he'll be gone.
Who's next? It's a mouse.
See, here's the list.
The mouse had been chased by a cat,
Oh.
and he bumped his nose into a garbage can.
Oh no.
And then a garbage can rolled after him, and he got squished.
We'll get back to you later, fans, on B for Birdie and let you know just what happens with the mouse. I think we'll be able to fix him, though. Don't you? What do you say?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.